Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to place an advertising banner on a billboard on building using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the mock-up image of a billboard that needs to have a banner placed on it. First, open the banner image that needs to be placed on the billboard. Then, drag it onto the mock-up image. Press Ctrl+A on the keyboard to select the entire image and Ctrl+X on the keyboard to cut the imported image. Now, go to the filter option on the menu bar and choose Vanishing Point. This will open another pop-up box where we can create a plane. Create a plane by selecting the corners of the billboard and adjust it accordingly. Once all the adjustments are done, press Ctrl+V on the keyboard to paste the image that we cut before, and then drag it onto the billboard. You will see that it automatically places the banner on the billboard. Then, press Ctrl+T to enable free transform and make necessary adjustments to place the banner correctly on the billboard. Once all adjustments are done, click OK. Now, click on the adjustment layer icon under the layer panel and select levels. Click on the clip to layer icon and then adjust the sliders accordingly to your preferences. Now you will have achieved the desired banner placement on billboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.